You run into a highly specific billing issue, a messy payroll error, or a banking glitch, and you just want to talk to a real human being. But searching Google for a QuickBooks phone number usually leads to sketchy, fraudulent scam websites, and getting stuck in an infinite loop with an automated chatbot is incredibly frustrating. Today, I'm going to show you the official secure path to bypass the robot and get a real QuickBooks expert on the line. Plus what to do if you hit their after-hours brick wall. Let's get you connected. To get genuine support safely, always start directly inside your account. Go up to the top right corner of your main dashboard and click on the Help icon, which looks like a question mark. This immediately slides open the official Intuit Assistant panel on the right side of your browser screen. The assistant will try to offer you pre-written help articles first. To bypass the automated robot, type "Talk to a human" directly into the chat box and hit Enter. Next, QuickBooks will ask for a brief summary of your issue. Type in your specific problem and hit Continue. This ensures you get routed to the correct specialized department instead of a general queue. Once you submit your topic, QuickBooks will spit out a generic text tutorial. If that text doesn't solve your issue, look right below it and click the option that says "I still need an expert." Now if you are working late at night or over the weekend, you might see this notice right here stating that the support team is currently out, along with their operational hours, which run Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Keep that time zone in mind so you don't call too early or too late. When live agents are offline, the assistant will pivot and ask what else it can find for you. Instead of writing a long story, type in a short, punchy keyword phrase like "fix payroll error" and hit Enter. This will force the assistant to pull up direct diagnostic tools, verified community forum answers, or video walkthroughs that can often solve your issue right on the spot while you wait for the support desk to open on Monday morning. Using this internal dashboard path guarantees you are talking to a verified, official Intuit representative the moment they open, without risking your data security on public web forums. If this quick access guide got your problem pointed in the right direction today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.